Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back, family. In today's video, I am really hoping to add some shine and reduce scalp inflammation to my hair, which is why we will be making flaxseed deep conditioner. You only need flaxseed and any oil of your choice, and you guys really know how I feel about Amla, which is why my oil of the day will be Amla. All the measurements that I will be using, I will make sure to put it in the description just in case you want to go back and make this video. There's really no need to go ahead and tell you over and over the benefits of flax seeds and the benefits of Amla. If you missed my previous videos, go back and watch them. But they do help in hair growth. So after adding 4 tablespoons of flax seeds, I went ahead and added 4 cups of water. Remember, the more water or the more flax seeds you use, the more deep conditioner you are going to get. So after putting everything in my container, I am going to transfer it to a pot and let it stay and cook in medium heat for 10 to 15 minutes. Guys, you have to remember to keep stirring it because you don't want it to get sticky, like stick to each other. You do not need the gel from the flaxseed for this dip conditioner that we're making. What we need are the flax seeds themselves. After letting it boil for about 15 minutes, I went ahead and strained it. After straining, you want to transfer it to a blender and blend it. Now, the more smoother it is, the better, because remember, you're going to apply this to your hair, and so therefore you want to make sure that every single seed is blended. After blending, you're going to transfer it to your mixing bowl and then apply to your hair. As you guys can see, I'm already doing that, massaging my scalp. This really felt good, really good. I went ahead and applied my Amla oil to my scalp after mixing everything. You should let this sit for about 45 minutes for deep detangling and conditioning, after which you wash it out and moisturize. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you try this. If you do, let me know in the comment section. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.